Being in nature is such an awesome feeling. The sound of the wind blowing through the trees, the birds singing, the flow of water in the river and the song it makes, all of these are so peaceful and relaxing. Being in nature for me is a getaway or a mini vacation from police sirens, car songs, large crowds of people, even the air we breathe. Being in nature, you will get a sense of fresh air and a peace of mind. Being in nature will give you the sense of freedom, and if you open your eyes and look around, you will see the beauty and get a taste of satisfaction. Being in nature with the sense of freedom, the fruits are free. Once you're not on private land. Being in the outdoors is a cool, quiet, fun experience. I like being out here. It's a way of getting away from work and everything. I'm just here to, just get a peace of mind and just relax. Well, if you're new to this kind of content, please like and subscribe to the channel. It will greatly help me, and share with your friends. Peace.